All right, team, secure the tether. We are nominal for launch in 5.
Roger that, lead. Tether secure.
Tension on line 3 is rising too fast. Ease the throttle.
Copy that. Reducing power.
We did it. It's finally coming up. Yes, look at that.
Bring her down slowly. Watch the starboard side clearance. Easy now. Settle her gentle.
Look at this stress point near the wing root. The corrosion here is worse than the simulation predicted.